lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make gazpacho. Gazpacho is a famous Spanish chilled soup made basically with garden produce. To make this gazpacho soup, I'm just going to start by rinsing all my vegetables with clean water. I've got about 8 medium-sized Roma tomatoes here. I recommend Roma tomatoes because they are best for this recipe. And I've got about 2 small-sized bell peppers. I'm using green bell peppers. You can use any type of bell pepper for this gazpacho recipe. I've also got about half of a small onion and a small cucumber for this gazpacho soup. I'm just going to go ahead and cut my tomatoes into 2 equal parts and then cut them into 4 medium pieces like this. Next, I'm just going to cut my bell peppers into smaller chunks as well. For my cucumber, I would love to peel the skin because I don't want it to be overwhelming in the soup. So I'm just going to peel off the skin and then cut into small chunks as well. I would also love to take out the seeds of the cucumber because I don't want them showing up in the soup. And I'm going to cut my onion into small chunks as well. And lastly, I'm using 2 small garlic cloves, so I'm just going to cut them as well. Once I'm done chopping up all my vegetables, I'm just going to go in with my tomato into the blender. Cucumber, green bell peppers, onion, and garlic. And I'm going to be going in with 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's time to season this. I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can add to your taste. Lastly, I'm going in with a 1/3 cup of water. I'm using chilled water. Next, we are just going to blend this into a beautiful smooth texture. For a thicker version of gazpacho, I'm just going to slide in 2 slices of bread into the mixture. And then I'm just going to let the bread soak in the water. Then I'm just going to leave this for 5 minutes for the bread to soak in the water. And after 5 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this until I have a very smooth texture. Once you have a very smooth gazpacho like this, you transfer it into a small bowl. You should remember to test for salt and pepper, then adjust your own taste. I'm just going to place a cling film over the soup and then place it in the fridge. Let it chill and let all the ingredients mingle together for 3 hours. Once your gazpacho is chilled, it becomes creamy and thicker and it's delicious as well. You can drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil over it and then top it up with your favorite ingredients such as bread, green onion, cucumber, and some freshly diced tomatoes. So guys, this was how to make gazpacho at home. You can enjoy this easy gazpacho soup with French toast, baguette, baked pork, or any of your favorite side dish. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share this video, and also you can like this video. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Bye.